Look now, this phone is hanged. There is beep sound if but you cannot hear. There is beep sound, and this is the message. Every time this thing happened while on the car. Now it's rebooting. It's in the call while I am calling someone. This happened, and it's restart. And this side camera temperature is too high. This is too much hot. Now it's restarting because I pressed the button. Now it's asking the pin code again. Now starting the Android again. While I'm calling more than 10 minutes, almost 15-16 minutes, this thing happened. Now it's working again. And I will check my last call duration. It's also not having my last call duration. You can see because it's not saving log. This is the main problem.